anawalea utwawa ndo waje gendo jue we waje gendo jue
sorry
ya zoli kwa ngino betete mondo no we gondo gotakwe no je ge ya to ina na tena ije wele mbwa ina unezo tagondo wele la mbwa iwe
sorry
iwe jawe lo ele la
babe come I don't understand what they are saying.
Ngeta mazwaba dinde ye zoli ndo yabe mundu abetakineta
so ndio 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 java
betai kalende je muya hii ai go dinde ya jendo hii ya
no mo kwa dia ne
kwa dia ne akina dinde ye zoli na ndana akina bondo
pamoja language bale ya
hii ga udonde ya Kiswahili
pamoja language bale
ya hii tuina Kiswahili
What are they saying?
na manyina de muzungu ba ukeza dina
byo ndo tuiye bwa uko kwacha
yo na zongo na maile tio yo
you know the problem
Everything okay?
everything for now is not okay
we azongo mine menda frequency yako ya
we bukenze walagu 1 meeting per time babe na language barrier
ya buonda bo ikane bakibe
muyele anwa muzungu kibeti ndo hiyo
ngono embie
dinde ye zoli te muya ngeje ye tu ya zoli te muya bo je tiendo hii ya zoli kwa je wa zoli welo dia mondo bano zoli ko inja na ko ituka
we inake
babuji bantu ba mumbe bantu ba nina kana nene ne tie kibeti mumbe emugunde zondo mukalyo lalo
aye ngendo twa kibeti ndie ya kibeti ba angeweza ukakwata nanga na moko hata mumanya mwega
mzee I'm trying to call him when he has not taken tea ela nakamutoka mwala sia
kamutwe kala sio ya jamutwe we ala sio we
imbi with ended
Okay.
wait
So why haven't they cooked?
I just want to now coach them English.
So they haven't prepared.
No, up to now even the moito
wete hiyo yange watu
has not come. The moito even there is no tea up to now. The moito has not come.
There's no house manager around here.
House manager no.
Ote jingo chati ba mweto tabia zindu ite nyende ngombe ndeba mwidimo kame. Walela mbwa hii no mbeki ya ngombe itakunondo. Ngombe akwa ni miendete muno.
Naku ukeria ya mukabano yokaeria ya ndemu akwa.
Na mwidimo tuwe je iko twana wa muka yo kalaba utamwete le lute. Elute is something like pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Yes, they are saying they are going to prepare elute. Elute is a big pumpkin.
Okay. From the shamba.
Yes, it might.
Okay, that's nice.
They are farmer, my mate.
Yes.
So I just want nenda to teach you nenda mubundisia Kisongo. I want to make them understand English.
We no kubundi vya kikamba.
So you say one word for English, I translate to them.
Okay.
So that at the end of the day, everything will be okay. Kwa kanda basende to mwa kikamba ya Kisungu ndimo tabiondo za imanisia. Aya, so start.
Okay, I start.
Yes.
Okay. What I can say is that I love them.
Kilo to nasia. Musiuke nda kawa dhinzi ya wanguko. Maulu makela mema same. Continue.
Again.
Ayaka dhinzi ya wanguko maulu.
Kiliana kukinigege kwa haba landa loloti yangu.
Again, babe.
Kezenda unuma.
Babe, I didn't like the idea of them waking us very early at the morning.
Ndaneza endewa. Ndia woni eba. Sio kio mwamu java kwacha.
Yuni ndio kweta ndia.
Ndio andu agema kunangie mutana mboko na.
Ndio kweta.
Aye.
Yana deda itugulu.
Atela ina ndio mane ekweto nena ni
translate. Okay. I hope we can talk as a family. You should teach them how to let us be first. We are just new couples. We need each other.
Ithi twi mutwano mwe na twina bina twenda ngalangwa masava ukomo.
Mwa saa sita.
No nana.
Omo imana sitani.
Muge ati wiye cheitika.
Kwani nyuma muka saa sita na mtwano ni mwa.
Omo imana sitani.
Ale kwa yuwa.
Ungoneka.
Akabe jigage onangolo endake yambo.
Mzee say you are very beautifully, wonderfully.
Yeah, truly
classified men.
I appreciate.
Jigage onangolo.
He's not a bad person.
He say kendandata. Kendandata is I be with you. We give birth. Yani kendandata.
Yeah, truly, I must give you children.
Yes.
Beta liva ngwenda education hii.
Enda education pe kamoda ka balucha mumu bando. Yeah, you want to listen? There is a motorbike fallen in love with salt.
Okay. Motorbike fallen in love with salt. What does that mean?
The salt was carried by motorbike.
Kubingwa wagwanda wenenge.
No mutu leane nu.
Nengi moja tonge waje tuje lea ya.
Kwenda aliola.
Why the babu does not remove his cape?
The babu,
Yeah.
wisi ni kule kule masango bia. The babu, munganga is a witch.
Munganga no.
Emu ya ba au tu ni tu so to ni awe mato no to ya mutwana na.
Toba na wewe kwa tamunugo. Tokoje na nazi.
Yes, moi.
This one is a witch.
Moi bio. Let of war.
Muidie. Kwendete zoko ndete katambala nina kaleti ba be kangulika likilengwenda. Gwenda usizanja na lola tuzedi twatene ndiye kana no yete bantu we. Ndiye ne gwenda usiga
Nye confusion itienga iwa matune ndo the na lukatumona genda iyo ze wa mwana.
How do we stay with him as a witch?
You bane bena katambala.
No, tweka wali meeting bang why yani the mzungu is now talking and you are all over talking about men.
Otawe je talk chawe.
Is he complaining?
Is like say you are talking beautifully.
Yeah,
sweetfully.
Sure. Yeah.
Touchfully.
Thank you, Babu. Thank you.
And they are saying you look
thank you.
climatically.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you no.
Kizi ne mokimani aban we eza motongo ne.
Musungu.
Ndio so motongo. Yo mwe wena chao chako ye ketekela.
Anzi ayo ne we ka bai na yu matuko men mogete ogala yi. Male ndani nyanga ati wa kuma ba.
Ugo mwe ye tekilio ko ndio imyaka mingi na medizela ambi.
Kwe ai ba bo ngotie.
Awetie wanu.
Ngotie wako.
Ndio na wakati wa monde une uya moko katana kabila yako ile kegegeo jangoko.
Akutatan oba
munuka.
Nyoba monuka kwa mabongo mang'ombe ni ngoba monuka.
They are saying mabongo mang'ombe is they will take cows to your place. For that now that is Dwari.
Kamondo kao. Ona mbeza zia kuoka iloneo shilingi 75.
They are saying we will take 75 million to your place.
Etoa shilingi 75 gatwa hiyo.
75 million for Dwari payment. Yes.
Ona no wezi yeke ya ibula ate ama tene mama ni.
They are saying your dad is a pilot.
Oh, sure, my dad is a pilot.
Whoa, nice.
Yeah, sure.
Akianga.
Mule yange wati kwega na yona tezese.
Them say when beat his story of beatless.
Beat story. Beat
what? Kwa kitu hiyo iwe mwamba umo kuamba.
They are saying we come up with a baby.
Baby, we should go have some babies. Let's
Tulia na kundi let you niwe ambapo tulio na. Tulia
na betigage ogeloge na metoge utango na mbele.
They are saying you are quickly like
I'm quick because I love you. What does to have babies?
Abetigao nungona ko kaka mada tamasa.
You go. They are saying that we are matching.
Okay.
Yes, I and you we match.
They
are saying your fingerprints. They are well.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I need to go.
Baba mweti yange waite zo nyoje izaziana.
Yeah,
No ige tangize eze na utewa kewe.
They are saying that you see that one.
Yes.
That one when it rain, kivuke kauzwa. Water will purify.
Kewe kauzwa au zote mwe au zote. Ai au zote kewe ba.
Au zote kao.
Ko kwe nini matongi.
Baby, these stories are too many. Let's go create babies, more babies.
Go wait me there. I handle some situation.
Enda wote mitongi we muyalo wote mitongi.
Oh, the mitongi abi ya ba.
Ka utege go.
Baby, I don't want to leave you.
I am coming.
Okay, no, let's go. Leave them. They have their life.
Wait, okay. Tawa kayu watoto. Mweke nambo mandakana.
Enda moja.
Mwesa ikala mute yesu kuwe. Ina mwesa ikala mute yesu kuwe. Kayu we are like. We. Kila mundu ande muaga ndizo zote hizo.
Ndo mwa. Mwana wakuwe.
Mwana ni mundu mudoku.
Enda ikiwa iguniane.
Andu moke.
Na itewa.
Ndio mundu suka.
Ai